Welcome to the walkthrough video tour of this beautiful home in Houston, Texas, on a great sized lot. This home offers a 2-car garage with an electric opener. There's also a carport. The foundation was repaired with a lifetime warranty and a no transfer fee. Look at the shade in this front yard. Imagine the savings on the utility bill. What a beautiful front porch. Please, let's take a look around on the inside. What a beautiful home. Completely equipped with crown molding and an alarm system. There's a large formal dining room with lots of natural light just off the kitchen. The air conditioning and insulation is finished and also in the garage. Look at all of this space in this beautiful breakfast area with a custom-built desk and cabinets that match the kitchen, a large utility room with outside access. There's hidden storage beneath the bar and also hidden storage in the living room. This home offers 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a functioning dark room. The beautiful bedrooms are so inviting, with lots of natural light and plenty of space for lots of furniture. All of your additional guests or family members will feel so comfortable in these beautiful bathrooms. In this large master, feel completely at home. With so much space, there's also a Bose speaker system. Look at this relaxing soaking tub with separate shower and the beautiful tile work. Upstairs, you'll find more additional bedrooms. As there are 6 complete bedrooms in this home, there's also a craft room that can be used as a bedroom. Please enjoy the virtual tour of this magnificent home in Houston, Texas. What a beautiful back porch. There's a fire pit for you to really enjoy the evenings and a mosquito system on the back porch. There's a Morgan shed behind the garage and a great yard. Nice and fenced in with lots of privacy. We hope you've enjoyed the virtual tour of this beautiful listing. Contact the listing agent for more information on how you can make this the next place that you and your family call home.